Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Brick Lab, we're going to be upgrading the Iron Monger robot. So as far as giant hulking robots go, the Iron Monger is a pretty cool one. It's got some nice waist rotation here. It's got one of these 6-stud shooters mounted on the sides, and of course one of these notoriously ineffective tile launchers on the side here. They're probably not going to do very much with that, but it looks pretty cool. Anyway, but my biggest complaint with this, and the reason why we're upgrading this set, is this little section on the side here. And I should point out that I do have an Iron Man minifigure inside, which probably isn't super accurate, but is fitting given that this is probably the original Hulkbuster suit. Anyway, that aside, my biggest complaint with this mech is the giant gap on the side here. It's kind of frustrating that the LEGO designers didn't see fit to just throw in a couple of extra pieces and fix it up. You can see that it basically leaves the entire minifigure exposed, which if you're piloting a giant mech, you definitely don't want. All the villains need is a good sniper and it's game over for you. Kind of an anticlimactic end to the battle, but fortunately it is an easy fix, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what I came up with. So before we jump into our upgrade, if you want to help support the Brick Lab and see future videos like this, feel free to buy the set using the affiliate link in the description or the comments below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but I get a small commission, so it helps fund future videos. Anyway, taking a look at the fix here, all I did was just add in 6 extra pieces, and from the front it looks the exact same, but when we turn it to the side, you can see that's where the improvement is. You can no longer see the minifigure inside from the side here. I will be the first to admit that it's not a perfect fix, because unfortunately we still do have a gap right here. If I put a little more time into it, I could probably come up with a slightly more advanced fix, but for now, I think this will work for me. Of course, you can still see Iron Man or the minifigure inside from this angle, but again, like I said, if you're putting this on display, from most angles, it's going to be a vast improvement, and I was able to make this fix using just 6 additional pieces. I replaced these quarter tiles with a slope here, and then removed the 1x2 plate that was originally here, and replaced that with 2 of these bracket pieces, which have a couple of these wedge slopes attached to them. So remove that 1x2 plate, put these things in place, and then simply lock them into place with this curved slope, and there you go. And I'm really surprised that the LEGO set designers didn't do this themselves, just because it would have saved a lot of complaints from the adult LEGO collector community, and I don't think it would have increased the cost of the set that much, since most of these elements were already included in there. But I don't know, that's just LEGO set designer logic, I guess. They're probably working on a time budget or a part budget or something. Anyway, that's my fix for this big guy. It's nothing complicated, but I think it does a whole lot towards making this thing look a lot better. So anyway, that's really all I have for you guys today, so let's roll the end card. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all that other good stuff. And if you want to see more of my content, please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. And if there's something you want to see me build, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below, and I will see what I can do. Again, that's all I have for you guys today, so I will see you next time.